south week, and that's not good news for the flooded areas last week. The weather will be coming in from the south. Thunderstorms expected tomorrow, but we'll talk about that in just a moment. For the time being, it really is just a taster of things to come. Thundery showers expected across the Midlands this afternoon, and they'll be drifting towards the north. Towards the northeast here, probably dry most of the time, but because the breeze is coming in off the North Sea, we have some low cloud and spots of drizzle, and the same goes for Aberdeen. To the west of Scotland here, some sunny spells. Northern Ireland here has been so far quite cloudy today, with spots of rain. Not a lot will change for this afternoon, and any showers that do brew across Wales will drift towards the north, so that southern parts of Wales will actually see a nice end to the day, and in what was quite a cloudy and rainy start to the day all along the south coast will turn to a nice and sunny end to the afternoon, with temperatures getting up to around about 21 degrees or so. Now this evening what we'll find is a few showers will continue in the north for a time. We'll see mostly dry weather, but very humid air will start drifting out of the near continent, and this time of year that means some nasty weather potential. In fact, a early warning of severe weather from the Met Office for tomorrow for thundery rain and a risk of flooding expected across quite a few areas. So let's see how the weather unfolds first thing in the morning. Actually, it starts off very nice indeed. A lot of sunshine across many parts of England and indeed Wales too. In fact, sunny spells are as far north as Kendal, for example, into Newcastle, although a little bit more cloud on the coast itself and for Aberdeen too. Now, Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland, fairly cloudy too in the morning, but nothing too severe at this stage. 14 degrees Celsius, some outbreaks of rain to the very far west of England and Wales, but it looks as though again a mostly cloudy but dry start to the day, and the same goes for most of Cornwall and Devon. But you will notice how humid it's going to be first thing tomorrow morning. And then the weather, as we go through the morning and into the afternoon, we start to see heavy clouds building towards the south of the UK, thunderstorms developing anywhere, say, from the Isle of Wight towards the southwest, Wales, and then eventually they'll drift towards the north. Now, this will be very thundery rain, but for most of us across England, actually it will be a very humid and very warm day, up to 26 degrees in London. And then the action begins through the evening hours and overnight. This arc of very heavy rain bringing a potential for flooding to areas which have already seen a lot of rain, maybe even as much as 40 millimetres of rain. But I'd like to suggest to you that the rainfall could be very heavy anywhere across England, with some thunderstorms around, and the rest of the week looks as though it will be quite thundery.